Man creates the crisis, but God gives the solution. The last few weeks, there was a man-made crisis by the minority in cooperation with some people in the administration, by them trying to undermine the leadership of the Senate at pinapalabas na magulo ang Senado. Pero mas mabigat po ang usapin natin ngayon. Bakit po? Dahil may tanong po tayo. Una, has Philippine democracy died again? Pangalawang tanong, binasura po ba ang Philippine Constitution? Bakit po ito tinatanong? Simple po, ang nakalagay sa konstitusyon ng Pilipinas, pwedeng mag-conduct ng business ang Senado by a majority of all its members. Ang majority po ng 24 ay 13 po. 13 po ang numero. Yung sinasabi po nilang kaso, yung po ay ibang-iba. Nag-adjourn po kami nung nag-walk out sila. So that means they have to call the roll at kailangan 13. Yung binabanggit nilang kaso po, inahamon ko lahat ng abogado. It is not applicable kasi doon po tuloy-tuloy yung sesyon. Tinigil tapos sinabing may continuing quorum po sila. Tayo po, malinaw na malinaw sa records, ay nag-adjourn last Tuesday at sinabi na tayo ay muling magre-resume ng alas 5 nung Lunes. So, what is the point of going through this? The question we have to ask ourselves is that, is the Constitution but a piece of paper to this administration? Has the judiciary ceased to function? Wala na bang Senado? Yun na po ba ang pananaw ng ating administrasyon?